Hello, discount wholesalers. Today I'm going to be doing a little video on one of our best sellers, and of course this is perfect for all cosmetic buyers. We have one of our top sellers, our Cosmetic DWI mix, which contains a lot of assorted drugstore brands. What do I mean by that? Maybelline, L'Oreal, NYX, even Milani, CoverGirl, LA Girl, and a bunch more like e.l.f., Ardell lashes, Essie nail polish, Revlon, and so much more right here. Look at this box right here. Assortment of 250 pieces available on our website. And let me show you. So in here, this cosmetic mix right here is going to have shelf pulled condition. Some maybe are gonna look like a little bit dented, like this set of brushes right here. These are some gel strips, really pretty. CoverGirl powders, Revolution. See, this one is brand new. Look at that. Foundation. You have the L'Oreal True Match. This is one of my favorites. Pop. You have more stickers. The L'Oreal Bambi. You have the mascara. L'Oreal liners. Age Perfect. CoverGirl. CoverGirl concealers. Essie lip shines. Nail files. And Almay, Maybelline. Some foundations. Moisturizers. You have some beauty blenders. This is a Sally Hansen fungal damage solution. That's for your nails. And let's see. This is a Milani. We have some Almay liquid. Oh, this is a cream shadow. You have the Essence. Cute. What else is in here? We have this Expert Eyes Makeup Remover by Maybelline. And these lip liners. This one's really nice. A Rimmel London Coffee Bean. Some City Color concealers. This is another Almay liquid eyeshadow. Lashes by Ardell. And this is a foundation by Revolution, brand new. Almay concealers, NYX lip liners, infallible lipsticks, and so much more. Revolution lipsticks, concealers, Flower. This is a lip mask. More concealers, and so much more. This is a brow. These are brow products by Maybelline. Look at this. So if you want great assortments like these, reach no further. www.discountwholesalersinc.com. I will be leaving it right here. And for more information on doing takeouts or doing big quantity purchases, feel free to reach out to a sales representative at 910-536-1440. As I mentioned, this is a great assortment. Even if you're starting off, it is at a really good piece price. And yeah, these are beautiful. A good assortment of different shades, colors, and face products, brow products, to even primers, setting sprays, setting powders, and so much more. So this is what the box looks like. And go check it out now at www.discountwholesalersinc.com.